Myself is Anjana Pawar from HGM College, Karad. Now, today we start the example. My example is, if log of x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube to the base 10 is equal to 2, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus 99 x square divided by 101 y square. So, this function in given is an implicit type function. And I want the derivative dy by dx is equal to minus 99 x square divided by 101 y square. So simplify this example. What is given? Given log of to the base 10 x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube to the base 2 is equal to 2. Now this function is given in the form of logarithmic function. We convert into exponential function. So this is the base. So this base, this base. So exponential. Suppose your exponential function log a raised to x is equal to n होगा. तो इसको हम लोग कन्वर्ट कैसे करेंगे लॉगरिथमिक फॉर्म में? log of n to the base a is equal to x. मीन्स बेस की पावर x होगा तो ये 10 की पावर 2 होगा. So therefore x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube is equal to 10 raised to 2. Okay, logarithmic function convert into exponential form this way. Now 10 raised to 2 we get 100. Now this x cube plus y cube goes that side is multiply. So x cube minus y cube is equal to 100 x cube plus y cube. Now simplify. X cube minus y cube is equal to 100 x cube plus 100 y cube. Now collect the x cube term, collect the y cube term. So those term goes that side is plus, those term come that side is minus. So therefore minus y cube minus 100 y cube is equal to 100 x cube minus x cube. Now 100 plus minus x cube means minus x cube minus 100 x cube, which is 1 y cube, and 100 x cube minus x cube is 99 x cube. Okay, now simplify, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So minus 101 is as it is. Y cube derivative is 3y square, and again a derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx is equal to 99 is constant, is as it is. What is the derivative of x cube, which is 3x square, and derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So I want only dy by dx. Other whole term goes that side is 99 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x square divided by minus 101 multiply 3 multiply y square. Now simplify, 3 cancel. So we get final answer dy by dx is equal to minus 99 x square divided by 101 y square. I hope you understand this example. Now we can solve the next example. We solve next example. Write down the next example. If y is equal to square root of cos x plus square root of cos x plus square root of cos x plus infinity. Infinity, then dy by dx is equal to sin x upon 1 minus 2y. Sin x upon 1 minus 2y. This example is MCQ type example, 2 marks. So how to simplify this example? So check what is given. Given y is equal to square root of cos x plus square root of cos x plus square root of cos x plus up to infinity, means सेम टर्म रिपीट होगा कब तक, इंफिनिटी तक. तो वी कैन सॉल्व एग्जाम. सो y is equal to square root of cos x plus this whole term, again is substituting here y because infinity तक है, उसको हमने क्या डिवाइड किया है, डिफाइन किया है, ऑलरेडी गिवन है y. So we consider here y. Okay. Now I want only y term one side. So squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides. So therefore y square is equal to cos x plus y. Now collect y term together. So y square minus y is equal to cos x. Now it is very easy to simplify, differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So 2y square derivative, y square derivative, which is 2y. Again the derivative of dy by dx minus y derivative dy by dx is equal to cos derivative with respect to x, which is minus sin x. Correct? Now dy by dx take common. So inside the bracket 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to minus sin x. Now this term here multiply both that side is dy. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus sin x divided by 2y minus 1. But I want the answer is sin x divided by 1 minus 2y. So this minus sign goes this term. So we get a final answer dy by dx is equal to sin x. If this minus sign given in this term, minus 1 become plus and plus 2y is become minus. So we get a final answer 1 sin x upon 1 minus 2y. Hence proof. Okay. Now next example. Next example. Next example, if y is equal to square root of log of x plus square root of log of x plus square root of log of x plus up to infinity, then prove that dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x multiplied 2y minus 1. 1 upon x multiplied 2y minus 1. So again this example solved in same way. How to simplify? Check here. Given y is equal to square root of log of x plus square root of log of x plus square root of log of x plus up to infinity. So again this term we consider here, we substituting here y again because already y is functioning in this term. So log of x plus y. Now your next step, y together, so squaring on both sides. So y square is equal to log of x plus y. Now y term together, so y square minus y is equal to log of x. Now it is a very easy to differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x, y square derivative is 2y dy by dx, y derivative is dy by dx is equal to log of x derivative is 1 upon x. Now dy by dx term take common. So we get here 2y minus 1 dy by dx 1 upon x. This term here multiply goes that side is divide. So we get here dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x square root of 2y minus, multiply 2y minus 1. So hence proof. So in short, is this example asking in 2 marks. If theoretical question 2 marks, we solve whole example in stepwise. But it is an MCQ type question. That time you remember one thing. That type of question answer is compulsory. 1 upon 2y minus 1 हर एक टर्म में आएगा, कौन सा भी एग्जाम्पल हो. मीन्स y इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ सपोज tan x प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ tan x प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ tan x अप टू इंफिनिटी. सो इसका डेरिवेटिव dy बाय dx इज इक्वल टू हर एक टर्म में इस टाइप के जो जितने भी क्वेश्चन है उसमें 2y माइनस 1 अपॉन 2y माइनस 1 कंपल्सरी होगा. और डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan x क्या होगा sec स्क्वायर, वो हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है. करेक्ट है. सो विद इन 1 to 2 सेकेंड वी कैन फाइंड द आंसर. चेक हियर व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस टर्म. सो dy बाय dx में कंपल्सरी दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन कंपल्सरी 1 अपॉन 2y माइनस 1 होगा है. और व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log x विच इज 1 अपॉन x. पहले वाला क्वेश्चन भी देखो, हमने आंसर निकाला था माइनस साइन x डिवाइडेड बाय 2y माइनस 1. सो बाद में हमने वो माइनस साइन 2y माइनस 1 को दिया और हैंस प्रूफ किया. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन कंपल्सरी कौन सा भी यहाँ पे फंक्शन हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज योर फंक्शन लुक लाइक दिस, y इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ f ऑफ x कुछ भी हो सकता है, f ऑफ x प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ f ऑफ x up to infinity. That time is shortcut method dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2y minus 1 is compulsory and derivative of f of x which is f dash of x is multiply. So this is a shortcut method for MCQ. I hope you understand. Now we can simplify next. But question in term of square root only. Square root y is a square root of f of x plus square root of f of x plus square root of f of x. That time we use this shortcut only. Okay. Now next example. If y is equal to x raised to x raised to x raised to x raised to up to infinity, x raised to x raised to x raised to x raised to up to infinity, then prove that dy by dx is equal to y square upon x multiply 1 minus log y. Now we simplify this question. Y is equal to what is given? Y is equal to x raised to x raised to x raised to up to infinity. Correct? So we consider here this term is y. So y is equal to x raised to y. So therefore y is equal to x raised to y. So this is a which type of function? Function raised to function. So we can simplify by using a logarithmic differentiation. So taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. We get log of y is equal to log of x raised to y. Now this log of x raised to y we can simplify by using a exponential log. Whatever power taking front, so we get here y log of x. So we get here for equation log of y is equal to y log of x. Now it is very easy to differentiate. So here we can use u into v rule. So differentiate with respect to x. So what is the derivative of log of y, which is 1 upon y, and again a derivative of y with respect to x is equal to y is a constant. What is the derivative of x? Log of x, which is 1 upon x. So y upon x plus log of x is a constant. Derivative of y with respect to x, which is dy by dx. Now your next term, your next step, collect dy by dx together. So therefore 1 upon y dy by dx minus this here plus, come that side is minus. So log of x dy by dx is equal to y upon x as it is. Now dy by dx term, take it outside. So inside the bracket 1 upon y minus log of x multiply dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Now simplify because denominator is not same. So this y multiply here. So we get here 1 minus y log of x divided by 1 dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Now I want only dy by dx LHS side. So whole term goes to LHS side. Whenever is divide, goes that side is multiply. Whenever is multiply, goes that side is divide. So we get here dy by dx is equal to y square. This term multiply here. X multiply 1 minus y log of x. This is your answer. But I want here answer is y square divided by x 1 minus log of y. And here answer coming y log of x. So this y log of x convert log of y. Suppose we consider here equation 1. So we get dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x 1 minus y square divided by x log of y from 1. Hence prove your answer whatever you want. Okay, now we can take next point, which is derivative of parametric function. Derivative of parametric function. So first of all हम लोग देखेंगे कि what is a parametric function. So derivative of parametric function. My next point, it is also important for MCQ as well as 2 marks theory question. So parametric function, we consider one circle which is radius is a. So we consider here circle which is radius is a. So that this is my circle which is radius is a. Okay. Now I draw here point P. So P coordinate is x comma y. This is my y length. This is my x length. P2 perpendicular to x axis. I draw one perpendicular x axis. Okay. So this is the triangle of OMP. यहाँ पे एंगल क्रिएट हुआ वो थीटा होगा. So what is here my sin theta? What is my sin theta? PM divided by PO. So what is here PM? Y length. What is my OM length? Is x. And what is my OP length, which is radius, is a. This is already done in 11th standard. So we directly substituting what is the sin theta here? Opposite sine upon hypothesis. Opposite sine upon hypothesis, which is y upon a. So therefore y we get a multiply sin theta. And what is my cos theta? Adjacent side upon hypothesis means cos theta is equal to adjacent side x upon a. Therefore x is equal to a cos theta. Okay. Here theta is lies in between 0 to 0 is less than theta is less than 2 pi. Means your theta is lies in 0 to 2 pi. यहाँ पे आपका थीटा लाइजेस होगा. सो हम लोग यहाँ पे x एंड y का रिलेशन देखेंगे. सो x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज द x वैल्यू हियर? a cos theta. What is y value here? a sin theta. So a square cos square theta plus a square sin square What is the formula of sin square plus cos square? Which is 1. So here x square plus y square is equal to a square. So therefore x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta is described the circle. क्या होता है उससे? Circle which is x square plus a y square is equal to a square. This is a circle equation. Okay, so यहाँ पे theta is a parameter and x is equal to a cos theta and x y is equal to a sin theta is parametric equation. So in general, x and y, two function given in the same variable. X and y, two function given in the same variable. This variable is called as parameters. And x and y equation is called as a parametric equation. Okay, so again in general equation, how to simplify? So if x is equal to f of t, means x function given in a term t term and y is the function of g of t, then x and y are called parametric equation with parameter t. Means in short x and y वेरिएबल कॉन्सेप्ट भी एक वेरिएबल में डिस्क्राइब किया होगा. मीन्स x इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ टी एंड y इज इक्वल टू जी ऑफ टी. सो कौन सा वेरिएबल में x एंड y डिस्क्राइब हुआ है? t वेरिएबल में. अलग भी हो सकता है, थीटा भी हो सकता है, m भी हो सकता है, कौन सा भी, लेकिन o वेरिएबल पैरामीटर होना चाहिए. सो इन दो वेरिएबल को या इन दो फंक्शन को हम पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन कहेंगे और उस वेरिएबल को यानी कि t या थीटा को हम पैरामीटर्स कहेंगे. सो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग देखेंगे कि हाउ टू फाइंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ पैरामेट्रिक फंक्शन. So thank you very much.